guys, welcome to Everlasting Memories. Do support us by subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon, and also like, comment and share with your friends and family members. So today I have a beautiful album. It's a pregnancy journal made for a client. You can see I have added a shaker over here. So this album is mainly made with the Everlasting Memories paper pack. As you guys have already seen, this is the paper pack. So if you want to go through the papers, you can check out the video. So we have even the tag sheets in the pack, and even motif sheets are available. So you can check our Instagram and Facebook and YouTube links. Everything is available in description. So now I will quickly take you to the overview of this album. So as you have seen this cover page, it's so beautifully made. So you can see a small bottle and a small sentiment written, mom to be, and look at those flowers, they are so pretty, and look at those cute little buds. So all these are so beautiful, and look at the spine of the album. So here we can write any of the sentiment we wish, and look at the back page. I've added a shaker to it. So even here the paper, it's written, as it's a pregnancy, we don't know whether it's a boy or a girl. So here is the paper which has, it's a boy, it's a girl paper, and I have added a shaker to it. So here is a small twist in this album. Now look at this one. So when I rotate, can you find? I tried to keep two cover page this time for this album to make it something different. So basically it's a magnetic effect. So this is what the front page, as you have seen, and this is inside. So again I have added a shaker to it. So this paper is from Everlasting Memories itself. So here is the paper which we have. So I have just cut those part and tried to make it as a frame and made the shaker around it. So this is a magnetic effect. So now let's get into the album. So the album normally opens like this. So here I have tried adding two flaps where you can add lots of photos, and we have a lots of photo mats here which has been tucked in. So these are the photo mats. So now you can see the album where we have a cute little sentiments like we are having a baby, you are a part of our journey, and you can place one photo over here just like this. And also you can look at this, we have a hidden pocket. So even here you can place photo and you can journal it at the back. So we have lots of space for photos in this. So this is the second page. As you can see, I have tried giving a magnetic effect, and it holds a pocket. So you can see it holds a pocket where it's written a tag of week 8, baby is a size of cherry. So here you can place the photo and you can journal it at the back. And we also have one more thing in this, a cute little shaker. So you can see it's written, expecting you my baby, bumps out, and a tummy of a mom. So you can see it's a shaker, 1 in a million. So this is a small embellishment which has been added. Now let's go here. We have a flap over here and a pocket which has the tag sheets. We have lots of tag sheet week wise, and you can even place lots of photo mats in this, just like this, and you can place a photo over here, even here a small photo. So this is one of the cutest page. So now this is the third page. I try to keep it simple as we don't know it's a girl or it's a boy, so it's a question mark over here. And here I have added a paper which has it's a girl, it's a boy written on it. And we have a hidden pocket over here as well, where we have put a photo mat, and we have a the tag sheet which indicates week 12. So halfway mama, are you ready for your anatomy scan? Excited. So this is the time when a mom goes for scanning on the week 20th. So now the next page. This page is so beautiful. You can see this. You can see this. Mom, glass, rabbits and butterflies all around, and look at the color combination. It's in light shade and I love the outcome. So here we have two flaps where it can hold lots of photos in it. So here we can tug in the photo mats just like this. So this is another page. It can hold lots and lots of photos. So here again we can hold one more photo mat, and it opens like this. It can even hold a photo mat over here. So it has a pocket where we have some of the embellishment like the beginning of new life, and pop out some of the fussy cuttings. And look at this, week 32. So this is week 32 photos will get added to it. So we have even photo mats. So we have lots and lots of room for photo mats. So here again we have a pocket where it indicates week 35, and we have a pocket which holds a photo mat. I have kept this page plain because I just want to add one small photo over here like this, so the beauty of the paper does not get hide. So this is the next page. As you can see, this page, this flowers looks so beautiful. So this opens up like this. And here a small sentiment, again my world, and again week 37. So even this holds a photo mat. It can hold a photo mat. It can hold like 2 to 3 photo mats over here. So even here we can place lots of photos. We can journal it. We can add as per our wish many things. So here look at this embellishment. This is so cute. The embellishment is so cute. Look at those cute little flowers, the sentiment, the tag, and look at this. Look at this one. It's so beautiful. So it opens up like this. So now we have a mom here again with a basket, rabbits, gift box, like lots of elements over here. So even here we can place photos just like this, and we can just journal it over here. As if we place a photo, it might get hidden, so we can just journal it over here. So this is the next page. So today you are born, hello cutie pie. So this is the 9th month when a baby is born. So I just added a small embellishment over here, and I left a space where a mom can place photo of a baby here just like this. And I even left this space free where you can just put one photo mat and a small card. Can't wait to see you. So look at this embellishments. It's so beautiful. So here's the next page. Just left it simple so that mom can add photos as per her wish, and a small sentiment written, "Oh baby." So this is the album which is being created using Everlasting Memories paper pack. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys are planning to make same album, you can just tag me on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, and you can even purchase this paper pack by WhatsApp, or you can check our Instagram, Facebook page where you can place the order for this paper pack. To check this paper pack, I'll be adding the link at the right corner, so you can just have a overall look of this pack.